Mga kaibigan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Murcia, Negros Occidental. At kasama po natin si Japhet Masculino, yung ating provincial agriculturist ng Negros Occidental. We visited this field because ito yung gusto nating matignan. Meron silang ginawa rito na innovation sa agriculture. Sugarcane Rice Cropping System Project. At ito pong area na to, ang mamayari nito ay isang kaibigan ko, si Nene Rojas, no? At ang area na to ay nagtanim sila ng sugarcane, but merong palay sa gitna. At ito po yung ating bali pinaka supervisor ng project na ito. Ano gani ngalan mo?
Ako si Armando Abanyo, sir.
Ikaw ang
Agriculturist Office of the Provincial Agriculture.
Alright, okay. So, this was started before. This was done before, right?
Since last year, sir, nagsimula na tayo dito sa Negros Occidental across locations in some other localities.
So, pila na ka-hektarya karon ang tamnan nyo sang ining sistema?
Mga not less than 20 hectares na lahat as we conducted na mga comparative observation and verification trials para simulan natin ang intercropping ng rice sa sugarcane.
Okay.
And we're able to develop recommended practices para mapabuti natin ang production ng rice intercropping sugarcane.
Okay. Sa previous experiments ninyo, ano ang yield sang among ining system nga every other row?
Sa previous experiment natin, every other row, makakuha tayo ng yield advantage na about 14 to 15 kabats per hectare. Considering pero that was alternate row.
Alternate
row. Yung isang row walang tanim, the other row may tanim. For this time, lahat ng row sa pagitan ng dalawang row ng tubo merong tanim, and we will see the difference sa result considering na nakita na natin na ang pagtatanim ng buray system, yung buray
bubod lang.
And ang panggas system, mas mabuti yung panggas or
seeding.
Okay.
Dry seeding.
Na may distance.
Ining field nga what rice variety did you use here?
Ito ngayon dito, we continue to use Insik RC27. It is a drought tolerant and upland variety developed by Field Rice.
And
galing ito sa seeds ng Department of Agriculture Region 6.
Okay. Sa lantaw mo, ano ang impact sini sa kinabuhi sang mga farmers?
As we hope to achieve na with intercrop rice sa sugarcane, meron pa silang rice production at the same time to ensure sang kailangan nilang bigas sa kanilang family, and at the same time for those na malawak yung ilang tataniman, they will be able to generate additional income to support sa farming system na mga magsasaka, especially agrarian reform beneficiaries.
Kay kun maskin mag 2 metric tons lang per hectare, no? Or butat na 1 metric ton per hectare. That's 500 kilos of rice effectively.
Yes,
nga ma-harvest ang isa ka farming family.
Yes, sir.
Right? Napulo ka sa ako nga bugas na nga pangkonsumo sang pamilya, no? So okay. So I'm happy that gin-expose mo kami diri because actually gina-imagine ko man Attorney Japhet, no? In North Cotabato, for example, we have a sugar central. In Bukidnon, in Davao del Sur, we are not as huge as Negros Occidental pag-abot sa tubo. Pero ang mahambal ko nga ining model nga ni could be replicated actually in many areas of Mindanao and makadugang sa income sa amon mga farmers. So, yes. kay kumaskin mag 1 metric ton lang siya per hectare isabay niya, no? So ini karon gin sabay nyo ni.
Oh, yes, yes sir. Una lang natanim ang sugarcane, and then a day after ang rice.
Okay. Anong maturity period sang variety nga ini?
This is a 94 to about 97, 99 or 97 days old rice variety. Is a short duration variety.
Okay. All right. Very good. So, madamog kang salamat, and we're happy to be able to take a look at this project, no? Because I really believe that sa panahon ngani, we have to be very practical with our farming. Hindi pwedeng monocropping ka lang, eh. Kung may chance nga maka multiple crop ka, and look at this, no? It's very encouraging na makita mo nga ang humay nakatubo sa tunga sang katubuan, and it's not really ideal, may mga pasi-pasi ang humay, but look, even if the farmer harvests only 1 or 2 metric tons per hectare, that would be a big help in ensuring food sufficiency and food security for the farming family. Mula po rito sa Murcia, Negros Occidental, we are witnessing this revolutionary experiment